What's going on, YouTube? It's November 29th. It's actually the day I'm about to throw this YouTube video up there. I think really this upload is just gonna be me filling you in on where we're at the barn. I'm gonna throw in some footage from Sunday, a couple days ago. Whatever I got, I'm gonna throw that in there, and we are gonna get to work getting this done. So as you guys can see, this car is in winter mode halfway. Still have to get, here, let me show you. Here's another project. It's only gonna be a 2-day project, but we still have to get this stock bumper mounted on there. But that's probably gonna happen today or tomorrow, because today we are actually, just to fill everyone in on where we're at, we actually haven't been doing too much car stuff lately, because if you know or if you don't know, we have been doing this. So the last video, there actually wasn't even the top thing, I don't know what to call it, that top piece wasn't even up there yet. But this thing is, you know, basically installed. We got it bolted into the ground. All we got to do is get our motor mounted right there, and this thing is gonna be in use in the next couple days probably. As you can see, we got a bunch of wiring going on. We already have 2 builds that are gonna start right when this thing is done. That is the first project. I'm sure if you've been watching the Barn Built crew, Barn Built Motorsports, this is the car that actually started it all. This is what made us start everything, made us start the page, and we are gonna get to work getting this lift done today actually, and we will see you guys next Thursday for a we'll have a full 10-minute ish video for you guys. But yeah, thank you. We're trying to grow our YouTube. We never really got into this. As you can see, we're just basically grease monkeys. We like to work on cars and we like to ride bikes. Not exactly the best with the cameras, definitely not the best at all. I mean, we barely know how to edit videos and stuff. Stay tuned, we're gonna get better. Please leave us some comments, anything on what you guys want to see, how we can get better filming.